Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old cleats efficiently. Put on gloves, loosen each screw 2-3 turns so the plate can shift, then fully unscrew with the correct 4mm or 5mm key. Clean the shoe sole and pedal mating surface to remove grit and old grease. This helps alignment and prevents slippage. Once the screws are out, keep them in order and inspect the threads. Make sure to note the rotational angle and fore-aft position from the original setup for reinstallation. You now fit the new cleats. Drop the cleat into the shoe track and start both screws by hand so everything threads straight. This prevents stripped threads. Once seated, set the fore-aft and rotational angle close to your remembered position. Small tweaks matter for comfort and knee alignment. Tighten screws incrementally and use the recommended torque, typically 6-8 Nm, to secure them. Make sure the cleat float matches your pedal system and that both sides are symmetrical before the final check. You finish by testing. Clip in and out several times while holding onto a stable object or using a trainer, observing release behavior and comfort. Once satisfied, take a short ride and then recheck cleat screw torque. Vibration can loosen hardware. If you experience unexpected binding or premature release, reduce pedal tension slightly and fine-tune cleat rotation by a few degrees until engagement is smooth. If problems persist, inspect cleat wear and pedal springs for damage and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.